Bye bye Mallorca. It was a little bit wibbly and wobbly there. And a good wind to go to Menorca. Still big waves from the side. Sometimes 16 knots. We had like 10 to 12 knots of wind in the beginning. It's getting a little bit more now. Some sunscreen on. Doing like 4.5, 5 knots. With Mahon on board. Sometimes big waves splashing around. It's looking so calm on the camera.
Not that bad, actually. Better than beating into them. Which is what we did. We beat into these waves before.
The first reef in the main, first reef in the Genoa. Got gust up to 22.
It doesn't let you film how big the waves are.
How much the weight is?
Yeah. That would be here? No, that's not.
6.2 knots. We're kind of flying with the reefs in.
Yeah. Well, the
From the
18s were
side.
our gusts.
Oh,
The 18s were our gusts before. Now they're our winds. Yeah. Here we go, this one's gonna get us.
let's go with the Zeepaard. Reunited again yesterday. It's a nice bay. There's Alani, Fornells. Moving to the next spot. Strange winds here in Menorca. Cold winds? No? How are these winds, Michael?
I think they're catabolic. They're kind of coming over the island, and then they drop off. The north side is like a cliff. So then they fall and they accelerate, and then they go away. So it's like you get these big gusts. You go from 7 knots of wind to 20 knots of wind really quick. But once you get used to it and you realize they're going to happen, then you deal with it. It's not so bad. It gives you good speed.
Got wind from the side. 20 knots now. Going 5. With a reef Genoa.
Yeah. And amazing.
And a mesa. And then the wind just stops it. Sometimes it's going to 5 knots. And it's getting up till 26, 27. strange.
New experience.
Yeah. But we are moving to a next bay to get better internet connection and say goodbye to Zeepaard and Alani.
Yeah. Finally got to see them all together since first time since January. We see them for 2 days and then everybody goes their separate ways.
Yeah.
It's the way this life works.
Fornells.
Come on. Okay, then it's gonna just go.
So our speed is 1.8 now. It went slower.
What?
It went slower though. It's 1.1. I saw.
It's this rock right here, I'm sure. 6,3 here, 6,4.
Here we go again. 6.5 knots. 20 knots of wind. Well, ferret. Merrily, 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 merrily. It's natural. Natural statue. Cheese.
Hello.
We had some rain with a lot of sand in it, so the whole boat is covered. Nasty. So it's time to clean up again. Michael's making his first soft shackle.
I'm trying to make a soft shackle in any case.
He's busy with the diamond knot. Very shiny. The second one. There's the cape we went around. Now here's the bay. It's cloudy. The sun is gone. wind is coming from the north instead of the south, what's supposed to happen. So there's a swell coming in. We're moving to the next bay, more protected from the north. So we're gonna motor for a little bit because there's not much of wind. We'll see. This week improvements. Made some zippers, a piece of white cloth. Make a big tent, keep the sun out, keep the wind in. You let down the Dutcher. I made some curtains around the windows.
Sunshades.
Sunshades. We've got an airco blowing in the front. Keeps the sun out. How is it here now?
Cool.
Cool. Cool, man. The bus towards Mahon. This is the bay of Fornells. See if you can see our girl completely in the back. There she is. Behind the catamaran. Mahon. Let's go up. A lot of stairs to go uphill to the old city. Up the hill. There's the only anchor spot here in Mahon, behind that big island. There. Laundry day. First load we didn't wash for a while, so start with small stuff. And Michael's checking weather.
Weather.
Whatever. Fornells, and the sun is going down. outdoor air conditioning. And in the bus again.
Yeah.
Where are we going to now? Cuitadella. Which year? 1500 and?
58.
58, long time ago. For the people who fell by defending the city.
Yeah, defending the city against the Turkish on the 9th of July, 1558.
Long time ago.
Yeah.
Market. And the fish market behind us. Smells like fish. It's got a windmill.
Checking the bus here.
It's a windmill.